Hi from Balmy, Iceland, bringing you today's Tuesday tip. I hope you guys have been following us on Instagram and seeing a lot of our amazing Iceland activities like snorkeling and snowmobiling and ice climbing. And a lot of the times in my post, I justify the price of those activities with the fact that we stay for free and we have free breakfast based on my status. So I feel like I could spend a little bit more on activities. But my tip is that you could actually get those activities for free as well. If you have a card like a Capital One Venture X or a Venture or a Barclays Arrival card where you can actually redeem your rewards for travel, know that if you book some of your activities through Viator, the US tour company, those charges actually code as travel. So you can redeem Capital One miles or Barclay Arrival miles for those Viator charges. So remember that. Book through Viator and you can get your activities for free too. All right, I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye.